Police say gun violence has rocked the city of Portland and all corners of our state since the pandemic. Oregon's firearms fatality rate is now higher than neighboring states. And as our Libby Dowsett reports, children often experience the collateral damage.
Gun safety advocates say Oregon is leading the pack when it comes to firearm fatalities on the West Coast. It leads both Washington and California, but that's not even counting the secondary victims who have had their lives shattered by gun violence.
On the night that Will died, he was experiencing a severe mental health crisis, and there was a fully loaded, unsecured, and easily accessible handgun laying out in the house where he was staying that night.
Testifying before lawmakers in Salem, Carol Manstrom shares the story of her 18-year-old son's death by suicide on Valentine's Day 2017.
He was a senior in high school at that time. He was on the varsity track team and cross-country team and chess teams. And he was looking forward to attending Oregon State University with a major in engineering.
Gun safety advocates say kids in homes with firearms are 4 times more likely to die from youth suicide. And firearm injuries are the leading cause of death among U.S. children.
Me and my colleagues, we see this as a very important issue that we need to take seriously.
Pediatric psychiatrist Dr. Daniel Nicolai tells Oregon lawmakers he too feels the effects while helping gun violence victims.
I see them when they do survive, and the injuries are quite gruesome, where they have permanent pain, disfigurement, multiple surgeries. Very emotionally challenging for me to work with, and I work with a lot of people who are struggling and in crisis.
Jess Marks from the Alliance for a Safe Oregon compares gun safety measures in Oregon, Washington, and California.
Things like having a state gun dealer license, which addresses illegal guns flowing into our streets, banning rapid fire devices, having a waiting period.
She said banning ghost guns created without serial numbers and ensuring weapons are locked up away from children are solutions that will save lives. But that doesn't help Carol Manstrom, whose younger son, Dave, developed PTSD from the tragic day his brother died.
Dave was in the car with me when I drove to the site where Will was. Within the next couple years, Dave spent 1 year in a residential mental health treatment program. That's an example of a life shattered because of gun violence.
OHSU gun violence prevention researchers say between 2019 and 2023, there were 18 mass shootings in Oregon, and 77% of the state's firearm deaths were related to suicide. Libby Dowsett, KGW News.